नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट उनको ये समझना ज़रूरी है कि भाई आप भी वर्किंग हो एंड यू ऑल्सो आर अ ह्यूमन बींग, यू आर नॉट अ सुपर वुमन to do all the things. Remember one thing, you cannot make everyone happy. So don't even try to do that. Even if you try to do that, you'll never be able to make everyone happy. Learn to say no. अगर आपको नहीं जाना है, say no. अगर आपको ये काम नहीं होता है, say no. It's okay to say no rather than just pleasing someone just for getting some praise from them. It doesn't matter even if they don't praise, but you have to prioritize yourself. Don't compare yourself to other ladies. You never know in what place, in what journey they are. So they might be looking very good, or they might be staying very well. I mean to say, they might be able to do a lot of things in their life, and you feel that you are not able to do that what they are doing, but they are at a different place in their life, and we are at a very different place in our life. So be happy with whatever you are doing, and love yourself first is very important. You are that strong pillar of the house that needs to be pampered, that needs to be taken care of, because if this shakes, the whole family is not is shaken actually. और मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि इसके अलावा बहुत सी औरतें शादी के बाद ये सोचती है कि भाई चलो अब हमारे हस्बैंड तो काफ़ी कमा लेते हैं, हमको ज़रूरत नहीं है कुछ भी कमाने की। नहीं, आपको कुछ ना कुछ करते रहना है, कुछ साइड इनकम होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. समथिंग दैट यू कैन कॉल दिस इज़ माई मनी. You need to do something on the side. Don't ever give up on it if you are having a very good job. Never give up if you are doing some sort of thing on the side. Keep on doing it. You will face a lot of challenges. That's okay. But you don't know what is there in future for you. I have learned it a hard way that it's very important to do something on the side because you never know when it's going to help you. और इसके अलावा you should be taking ownership of your own life. Be the driver. Be in the driver's seat of your life. Don't give your power to someone else. उन्होंने हमें प्रेज़ किया तो हम खुश हो गए, उन्होंने हमको प्रेज़ नहीं किया तो हमको बहुत खराब लग गया. No, why? You don't have to wait for someone to praise you. Just be happy that okay, I am able to do this. I'm able to do n number of things what others can't do, and I'm helping these people. Whatever you are doing a great job. So just feel proud of you. And remove some time for yourself. Prioritize your well-being. Take some good, do exercise and eat well, sleep well. And if you are having any stress or anything, just go for meditation or join some community that actually motivates you to do, to have self-love. It's very important.